In front of me is REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to change icon shape on the following device. So just take a look at the current layout and the current shape of the icons, and if you want to change it, just enter the settings, go to home screen and wallpaper, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and under personalization you will notice set icon style. Smoothly click on it, and now you can pick either default. Here we've got default. You can choose material style, pebble, or custom. So if you'd like to customize it, you can pick the shape right here, and then foreground, and also the icon size. So let me leave it, for example, this way, and tap on apply. And as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. This is how you can customize your icons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.